Good evening, everyone. Once again, a hot day across the valley. We tied the record high in Weslaco, Harlingen, Brownsville, and McAllen. We may break some more records or tie some records for tomorrow. It stays hot with highs again in the upper 90s and triple digits. Right now, the temperatures are in the mid-80s out west in McAllen and Edinburgh. We're in the lower 80s in Raymondville, Harlingen, Port Isabel, and Brownsville. Here's your day planner forecast. We'll start off warm at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning with partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the upper 70s, but then the heat returns for the afternoon. We're up to 93 at noon and 98 degrees at 5 p.m. with mostly sunny skies. If you're outside really for this week because of the heat, of course, please be careful, take it easy, and drink lots and lots of water. Let's talk about the tropics. Happily, it is quiet in the Atlantic, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Caribbean Sea. In the eastern Pacific, we're watching this area of disturbed weather off the coast of Mexico, which has a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days, but the track takes it almost parallel to the coast, the Pacific coast of Mexico. No rain to speak of here on the radar, at least in the valley, but up to the northeast, in Aggieland, Texas A&M College Station, Bryan, they have severe thunderstorm warnings as these thunderstorms are pushing to the southwest. And out in West Texas and southeast New Mexico, a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings just north of Midland, west and into Big Spring. These thunderstorms pushing to the north, crossing Interstate 20. Some very nasty thunderstorms in Kermit as well as southeast New Mexico. Those thunderstorms pushing northward as well as toward the east. Some very vicious thunderstorms earlier for parts of New Mexico, including Albuquerque. Those are moving off to the east into the Texas Panhandle. We have that front that is draped from east to west over Texas. It is stalled out. It is not coming anywhere near the valley. We still have this big area of high pressure loft controlling the weather, keeping things very quiet for our neck of the woods. So let me show you future track. This is about 18,000 feet in altitude. This is what I've been talking about for the past couple of days, for days on end really, this big stubborn ridge of high pressure over Mexico and Texas. Now over the next couple of days this week, it's going to start to move to the north and to the west, so we're not going to be under its center. That means we don't see the hottest temperatures. It will still be hot though, with high temperatures in the upper 90s, even triple digits out west. But by the end of this week, we think there will be enough of a weakness in this high because it's centered off to the northwest. Enough of a weakness to give us a slight chance for some showers by Saturday. There is a trough of low pressure disturbance at the upper levels in the Gulf of Mexico, not at the surface, but at the upper levels. That'll move westward, but still going to be far enough away from the valley to not affect us. But we think that this weakness in the high that's over Texas may give us just a slight chance, a small window for some showers by Saturday. We'll take any rain we can get. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast to south at 5 to 15 knots. The bay waters are a moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 12:31 in the morning, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, partly cloudy, warm and humid with low temperatures in the mid-70s. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, hot and humid, highs in the upper 90s, though we will see highs in the triple digits for McAllen and the upper valley. Winds out of the southeast around 10 to 15 miles an hour. So here's that 7-day forecast. The high temperatures continue in the upper 90s each day, mostly sunny. Notice the words stray shower. I haven't put that on in many days now, but stray shower possible on Saturday. At this point, a 10 to 20% chance of a shower then, but still hot. The morning lows will remain in the mid-70s this week. That's your first Warn 5 forecast.